Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see today, market's moving up a lot. But as I had said yesterday, that if Bank Nifty breaks this zone and then comes back up, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Market did not give a very big correction from here after breaking this and went up from here itself. And I also did take a short position, put short position. And if you see 51,700p over here, I shorted it at all the way at 607 rupees and it has closed at 236 rupees. I am getting very good profits over here. Please ignore all of these. I was just testing out how much margin I would require with different hedges. So that's why there are so many, if you see, out of the money, put transactions. But yes, over here if you see, I'm getting a very good profit right now. Also my target hasn't arrived. My target is at 150 rupees for this premium. Most probably the way the US markets are looking as of now, if you see Dow Jones moving up a lot, Nasdaq being a little bit Nasdaq and S&P being a little bit weak, and it is expected because if you see Nasdaq and S&P over here, I'm just going to give you a very quick glance of what's happening in US markets. Also Nasdaq and S&P have moved a lot from here, right? Whereas Dow Jones didn't move at all. So Dow Jones is now doing the catch up and looks like Dow Jones will be a little bit more bullish as compared to S&P and Nasdaq. But yes, anyways, we basically look at Dow Jones more. Dow Jones, the gap up or the gap down which happens in our markets usually happens more when in line with how Dow Jones moves, right? So anyways, tomorrow it looks like we will have a gap up and looks like my target will also arrive pretty easily. Market, it has closed at 236. So opening at 150 also is not really a big problem. If let's say we open somewhere near 50 or 900, all these levels, and then it should also open near 150. It won't really be that big of a problem, right? So what can we do for tomorrow? Now let's move on to that. So if we open with a gap up, which looks like the probable scenario as of now looking at the US markets, if we open with a gap up, then we'll wait for one pullback over here. Why am I saying so? Is because market will straight up open near a resistance, right? Most probably if we open near 50 and 900, 950, 52,000, this is a resistance. Now market is in a zone, but as I always say that before giving a big move, the market will always trap someone. Now market has made a trap over here. If you see, Bank Nifty has made a trap over here. So chances are that market should most probably close above this resistance tomorrow itself and then continue at higher, at least close above 52,000. Then we can think about market going up till 53,000 also. But yes, the way the market has trapped everyone today, chances are that tomorrow itself we should see a closing above 52,000 in the market, right? So what you guys can do over here is going to be very simple. Tomorrow, as soon as if we open the gap up, we'll wait for one pullback on the downside till the area of 51,800 to 51,700. In this 100-point range, wherever we see that market is making a turn, maybe making a higher high pattern like this in 5-minute chart, if you see, it is a higher high. So if the market starts making a higher high, then we can start to take a bullish position. If the market starts making any sort of bullish you can say pattern or reversal pattern, we will go ahead and take a bullish position from here. Or if the market also makes any sort of a seller trap, right, any sort of a bearish trap over here, even then we can go ahead and take a bullish position in the area of 51,800 to 700, right? We will wait for one pullback. We will not go ahead and take a bullish trade at the opening itself. It is okay if the market goes up from here also, it is fine, but we will not go into the FOMO and buy at the opening itself, right? We'll wait for one pullback and then we will buy, right? However, if the market doesn't take support from here and goes below 51,550 on the downside, now 51,500, you can say 580 to 550 will be the important level that you need to watch out for. If this level breaks, then chances are market will again come down near 51,400 to 51,200 and then stay in this range for a much bigger while. So tomorrow itself, market should break this level and start to move on the upside because market has trapped all the sellers over here. So now market should be ready for the next leg of rally. And looking at Dow Jones over here, Dow Jones also looks like it is ready for a new all-time high, which could most probably even take it to 41,000 very easily, right? So as of now, the immediate target for Dow Jones is coming near 40,000 very easily because the way Dow Jones has moved and the way Dow Jones has made this formation at bottom, it looks like Dow Dow Jones can give a straight rally also till 40,000 on the upside without any problems. So our market should also follow suit and start to make new all-time highs. Maybe not tomorrow, but maybe tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow also, that is fine. But most probably, as I said, Bank Nifty should make an all-time high tomorrow and close above 52,000 itself if it has to continue this very good rally on the upside without a lot of problem, right? So I hope that is clear. If we open somehow with a gap down, let's say the US market sell off very sharply and Dow Jones, S&P, all of these guys close in, let's say, good enough closed down good enough. So if we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 51,400 with a 300 point gap down, which is improbable, but let's say 51,500, right? Then we'll do nothing over here. Why do I say so? Is because this area will be the area where a lot of stop losses will get hit. So over here, if we open in the gap down, we will do nothing, right? We will wait for either this zone to break on the downside. Even then we cannot really take a short position. Only way we can take a short position is below 51,050 on the downside. If 51,050 is broken and market is sustaining below 51,050 for, let's say, 10 minutes and then starts to make negative price action, only then will we go ahead and take a short position over there. But as of until that happens, we will not take a short position in Bank Nifty at least. Now for Nifty it might be a bit different and we'll look at it in just a few minutes, but yes, over there we will not take a short position until unless 51,050 is broken. If 51,050 is broken, then we can go ahead and take a short position till 50,800 easily. That will be our first target, and then our second target will be 50,500 on the downside. And then chances are this target will also arrive very fast because market has broken this consolidation, so chances are market might go down also pretty good from there. So the pullback that we wanted, I think, has come at least in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, as I said, is much more stronger as compared to Nifty. So the way this pullback has come, technically it is a pullback when market opened with a gap down. So now Bank Nifty should go up very fast from here. It should not stop over here or stop over here for 2-3 days or anything, right? Maybe one day is fine, or at max 2 days is fine, but Bank Nifty should break this range very fast and start to move up till 53,000 from here if this rally is a genuine one. Because if the market waits over here for a long time, then it will stay in this range also for over here and a long, then it will stay in this range also over here for a long time, and then it might again go to test the lower part of the range, right? So I hope it is clear that how the market can move, how Bank Nifty can move. Now for Nifty, if you see, Nifty is looking like it is giving a fake breakdown basically over here, right? So for it to confirm, as I said, 23,620 is the important level. As I said yesterday also, 23,620. Until unless we are above 23,620, we will not go ahead and take a buying position in Nifty. But the levels that have come today can give you a little bit of confidence to buy a little bit early in Nifty, and that level is 23,570. If tomorrow we go about 23,570, you guys can go ahead and start adding bullish start taking a bullish trade with partial quantity, not full quantity over here. As I said, 23,620 to, you can say, 630. Let's take this 630 for a little bit of margin of safety or margin of error, and if we go above that level is when we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. But until then is when we'll be very aggressive in Nifty. But until then, we will not think about taking a bullish position in Nifty. Rather, taking a bullish position in Bank Nifty will be a much better choice for you, right? So I hope that is very clear. On the downside, we will not take a short position until unless 23,360 is broken. Now today, if you see, I'll go into the 5-minute chart. Market opened with a gap down. We did get a pullback also, and you could have taken a short position. If you didn't take a short position, that is also fine. But yes, market went up, took a pullback over here, and then market came down and hit our target of 23,350, right? And after that, if you see, market again recovered. So not a great short trade that we got. Your stop loss might have also gotten hit over here, and that is fine. Sometimes your stop loss will get hit, but you would have gotten a very good trade in Bank Nifty at that point in time, right? So for Nifty tomorrow, we will not take a selling position now until unless 23,350 is broken. Now 23,350 is the level that needs to be watched out for. Until then, taking a short trade in Nifty is not really very beneficial because there are multiple supports on the downside which will help Nifty to not go down very fast from here, right? So I hope that is very clear. Now on the upside, as I said, you can think about taking a bullish position once we cross 23,570, but only go aggressive about 23,620. Once we start making positive price action about 23,620, only then will we go ahead and take a bullish position. But until then, as I said, you can take a little bit of, you can go a little less aggressive on the bullish side in Nifty, right? So as of now, Nifty, Bank Nifty looks in a much better place as compared to Nifty. Now I don't have the FNO data until now. If you see, the FNO data for today is still blank. That means the FNO data hasn't come out yet. So as of now, I cannot really tell anything, but I think what might have happened is that pros and FIs who had made short positions yesterday, they would have booked their profits and come into long, right? At least a good amount, because looking at this price action, it looks like that would be the case. So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.